In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in Renderforest. If you've ever finished a video and then realized it needs to be vertical for stories, square for a feed, or widescreen for a presentation, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to switch shapes without rebuilding your project. Start by logging in to Renderforest. Once you're in, open your video in the editor so you can see your timeline and preview canvas. You want to be in the main editing workspace where the top toolbar is visible. At the top of the editor, look for the aspect ratio control. It usually appears as a drop-down on the top bar and may display a number like 16.9 or show a small icon with different frame shapes. This is the control that changes the shape of your entire project. Click that drop-down to open the list of available aspect ratios. You'll see the common options: 16.9, 916, and 101. Pick the one that fits where your video will appear. Choose 16.9 if you're creating a standard widescreen video for platforms like YouTube, websites, or slides. Go with 916 for vertical content designed for stories, reels, and short-form vertical platforms. Select 1.1 when you want a square video, which is great for many social media feeds and grid posts. As soon as you select an option, the canvas updates instantly to reflect the new shape. You're not changing your video's length or its core content, you're simply changing the frame it lives in. Take a moment to look at your preview and make sure important elements, like titles, logos, or faces, sit comfortably inside the new frame. Switching from horizontal to vertical, for example, narrows the view, so items near the edges may appear closer to the border. If something feels too tight, consider whether a different ratio better suits the layout of your scenes. A quick tip on choosing the right ratio: start with where the video will be posted. Widescreen is the default for most traditional screens. Vertical is ideal for full-screen phone viewing, and square often balances well in mixed social feeds. Picking the right shape early helps keep your visuals clean and legible, and that's all there is to it. Log in to Renderforest, open your video in the editor, find the aspect ratio dropdown on the top bar, click it, and select 16.9, 916, or 1.1. With just that one change, your project is now shaped perfectly for its destination.